guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're tuning into my channel for the first time, hi, my name is Ria and I make content on beauty, fashion and lifestyle. Do take a moment and subscribe to my channel. With that, let's begin today's video. First of all, I'm sorry about the lighting today. I shoot in natural light and there's a lot of sunlight coming in today. But now let's get on with today's video, which is a haul video. It's a clothing haul. I discovered this brand a couple of months back while I was at the mall. Then I came back home, googled and found out that this is a fairly new brand. It was just launched last year, mid of last year. It's a Reliance brand and it's called Yousta. So I have this huge bag by Yousta. I've shopped quite a bit over the last few months from them. Now before I get started with the haul, I just want to mention a few things. First of all, Yousta is an Indian brand owned by Reliance, and secondly, this is even more affordable than Zudio. I know a lot of people out there are crazy about Zudio because of their trendy and affordable clothing, but Yousta is even more affordable than Zudio, which is mind-blowing. So every item that you get in Yousta is under $9.99. They do not have anything over $9.99. So now coming to what kind of stuff can you get at Yousta. So Yousta has stuff for women, men and for kids as well. Majority of the collection consists of clothing. So you will get a mix of Indian as well as Western clothes, but they do have a lot of fusion clothes as well. I felt their women's collection is much better than their men's. Though the last time I visited Yousta store, which was a couple of weeks back, I found that their men's collection was growing. It's a fairly new brand, so I'm sure they're experimenting with the collection and see how people respond to it. Now coming to the third point, that is Yousta is available online and is exclusively available on Ajio only. Since it's a Reliance brand, it makes sense for it to be available on Ajio. So that's some of the information I wanted to give you guys about the brand. Now let's get started with the try on haul. So like I mentioned, I was at the Yousta store back in June if I remember correctly, and the first thing I got from there was this shirt. Now I have been looking for this particular color in a button down shirt for a long time. Like I know for sure I've seen these in Zara, but they are very overpriced. But then I got this one. It's a button down shirt and the collar detailing is a little different. It's not exactly like a regular button down shirt. So it sort of has a deep neck at the front and the buttons start a little lower than the usual, and the sleeves are also a little different. They are sort of drop shoulder and then it goes straight, and it's a very comfortable cotton material. So to be honest, the first time I was at the store, I was very skeptical of whatever they were offering because of the price point. They were so inexpensive. But the first time around, I bought two stuff from their store and I thought I'll give them a try, and if they pass the quality check, I'll go and buy more. So that's what exactly happened. I wore this a couple of times. I've washed this even and it has remained intact. There was no leakage of color or the kapra did not even shrink. I was really happy with my purchase, and if I remember correctly, this was priced at $5.99. I'll leave all the prices of the mentioned products in the screen somewhere. Also, I'll try looking for all of the links, and if they're available, you'll get them in the description box below. I wore this in my Mussoorie trip recently and I love how effortless yet stylish it looks. Next up is a pair of pants or trousers, whatever you may call it, or you can even call this a jogger. I was looking for a beige colored trousers, but something which is affordable. I did not really want to spend $1,500-$2,000 for a trouser, and then I came across this at the Yousta store. This was actually listed in the men's section, but I went ahead and tried it anyway, and they fit me perfectly like a glove. This has an elasticated waist with drawstrings, so it's a very comfortable fit, and the color is absolutely perfect. You can pair it up with so many casual t-shirts, shirts, ganjis, whatever you may want. They come with two pockets in the front and one back pocket. Now when I saw this at the store, I was a little skeptic because it seemed a little transparent to me, but I bought it anyway, came back home, tried it on and worn it in a trip, again the same Mussoorie trip. Actually paired these two together with one white ganji and they looked absolutely chic together. Seemed transparent to me, but then I wore it and you could not really see through anything, which is great because there's always this fear of it being transparent when you're wearing such light colors, and this too remained absolutely intact after a wash. Next up is one of my favorite purchases from Yousta till date. It's a skirt and it's such a pretty color. The color is what intrigued me. I saw it at the store in my first visit but did not buy it. Then came back home, scouted through Ajio, landed upon this this again, and I thought, okay, let's go for it. Don't exactly remember the price of it. It was either 500 or 600, like 499 or 599. But anyway, this is again a cotton skirt. It's a midi length skirt, and it's in this really pop yellow, lemon sort of a yellow color with white leaf prints on it, and it's really pretty. It's a really pretty piece for the summer, I feel. This comes with 2 pockets, which is a definite plus for me. Women's clothes need to have more and more pockets, and I'm glad Yousta understand our needs. So yeah, this is a really nice mid-length summer skirt. You can team it up with white ganjis or white t-shirts, even shirts as well. Quite an effortless chic piece according to me. Next up, I have this top that I'm wearing right now. It's a sleeveless peplum top, quite summery, quite airy. Comes in cotton material, and I really love the color of this. It's a nice beige brownish sort of a shade, and it has gotten white stripes going all over it, and this was for $2.99 only. For the price point, I feel like this is a great buy, especially if you're looking for simple yet stylish and affordable tops to wear throughout the year. So next up, I have a kurta. This is one of my most recent buys from Yousta, and I bought this during Ganpati on Ganesh Chaturthi itself during the Sthapna. If you have not watched that vlog, you can find the link here. This is again a cotton kurta, a very simple sleeveless collared cotton kurta. It has this dori with tassels on the side, on the left side of the kurta. It adds a nice detailing to the whole kurta. Along with that, it has really cute pomegranate print going all over with green leaves, and I found this to be a really cute, easy breezy kind of a kurta to be worn during summers or in general as well. We are in India, and a lot of places in the country does not really have anything called as winter. So yeah, this can be worn throughout the year. Just a simple pretty kurta can be paired up with a pair of leggings or a palazzo, add a pair of jhumkas and bindi, and you'll be good to go. And honestly, the kapras feel so nice, so lightweight, like light cotton that you would want to wear, especially in the summers. This is it. Price सुन के लगता है quality compromise होगा, but not with Yousta. I'm consistently surprised with the stuff I get from them because the prices shock me, and then I wear them, wash them, and actually test the quality of the clothes, and they have not disappointed so far. Now we move on to pajamas. I have a couple of pajamas to show you. The last time I went to Yousta, I only shopped for pajamas. So the first one is this one. It's actually a full-length pajama, I mean the trousers, and it's in this black color with cupcake prints on it in multicolor, and it has a couple of text going on which says love at first bite, sugar rush, delicious. So everything related to cupcakes and sweets basically. Simple cute stuff to lounge in at home, and they were for just $2.99. Again, the kapra quality is good, the feel of it is nice, and the prints are cute, and it's only for $2.99. So what more can you ask for? The next up is this one. This reminded me of Amalfi Coast in Italy because it has lemon print going all over. Really cute. Again, a very summery piece, but this is a pair of pajamas so you can wear it throughout the year. It has got blue stripes going all over with little lemons, and again this is priced at $2.99. For the price that you're paying, it's good quality, good fit, and very cute prints. Next up, I have 2 pair of shorts. This one was priced at $1.99 because this is a very simple pair of shorts. Elasticated waist, kapra is nice, cotton again. It's in this mustard color with toffee prints all over it. Very cute, very basic, and yeah, just nice to lounge around in at home. This one on the other hand was for $2.99, maybe because the kapra quality is a little different. First of all, both of these are cotton, but this is a softer material of cotton than this. Not that this is not soft, but this is softer, if you know what I mean. I really like this one because it reminds me of an unicorn because of the color combination going around here, and it's got a small text patch on the left. It says you can do big things. And then I picked up 2 t-shirts to lounge in at home. These are t-shirts that you wear with your pajamas. The first one is in this nice mint green sort of a shade, and it's got the text toast of the town with a toast graphic in between. Basic but really cute. I got this in a size L because I wanted it to be very baggy, and yeah, these are very comfortable. The kapras are so soft, like देखो इतना छोटा सा हो जाता है, कपड़ा एक्चुअली बहुत सॉफ्ट है. This too was for $1.99 only. Next up is this t-shirt. Now this one I got in the size medium. I don't know why I should have gotten it in L again, but anyway, this too is a very cute piece. It's in this really nice yellow, and it's got the text, it's all or muffin with a muffin print on it. This too was for $1.99, and again the kapra is really nice and soft and absolutely worth the money. And last but not the least, I have these pair of earrings. They are a set of 3 and they were priced at just $199. So the first few times I was at Yousta, I did not really notice much jewelry, but the last time I went there, they have this new section of jewelry which is really interesting. They have a lot of western gold jewelry. Even in silver you can find a lot of jewelry there. They have neck pieces, they have bracelets and a lot of earrings. I am a complete hoops girl. I love to wear hoops in different shapes and sizes, and these ones looked absolutely like my type, so I grabbed this quickly. And just for $199, the quality of all the 3 pairs are really good, and I've worn them a couple of times already and they have not tarnished so far. You actually don't even get such earrings for this price at local markets. So that's it for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching this haul and you discovered a new brand which is so affordable yet has such good quality stuff. If you like watching this haul, I would suggest you go to a nearby Yousta store, and if it's not available at your city, you can always check out Ajio. I'm sure you won't be disappointed by what they have to offer. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. That will really help me to grow and make more videos. I'll see you the next time with another video. Until then, take care, keep smiling. Bye.